Lasati kod George Oro emadhi bedo captain mar Shujaa e piny Dubai e tuke mag HSBC World Rugby Series madhi timore kind tarik 30 dwe ni kod tarik 1 dwe manyien mar 12. Kocha maduong' mar Shujaa Kevin Wambua olando kweth jotugo 13 madhi e tielo mokwongo mag tukego e season ni. Kelvin Wekesa, William Mwanji kod Brian Mutua bende yudo thuolo mar donjo e kwethno.
And the preparations has been so well, and the boys are so ready for the tournament. I can only say that just trust on the team. Just give us the trust, because I usually tell my boys that there's no one who's going to come in and help you guys. It's upon you to be mature enough and to take that task that you've been given to represent the nation.
So I'll just name the squad that's going to represent Kenya in Dubai and Cape Town. Kevin Wekesa, George Oro, William Mwanji, Brian Mutua, Dennis Abukuse, Samuel Asati, Nigel Amaitsa, Chris Santo Juang, Patrick Odongo, Festus Shiasi, Ben Salem, Floyd Wabwire, and Brian Onde.